Banana bread, will it waffle? Yes. What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two American Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe. Today we're making one of our favorite breakfast treats.
And everybody's favorite quarantine bake. We're like mixing the two.
Oh, I see what you did there.
I mean, I don't know if it was you, but like quarantine happened like a year ago and everyone started baking banana bread.
Yeah, rotten bananas had their time to shine.
They were really like, finally! So we're making banana bread waffles. We combined our two favorite things. I did this by accident once. I had like banana bread batter that I really wanted to use up, and I was like, let's try and put it in a waffle iron. And it worked so well that I was like, this has to be shared.
Yeah, I feel that was so long ago. I remember you sending that to me. I was like, I need to try this. That looks amazing.
Yeah, like pro tip, like if you want banana bread and don't want to wait the hour it takes to bake, put it in a waffle iron because it takes like 5 minutes.
Banana bread, will it waffle? Yes. Okay, well, we should get into this recipe, but be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future vegan recipes. And without further ado, waffle.
To make your banana bread waffles, we're first going to start off by mashing some bananas in a large bowl until they are nice and smooth and creamy. You want as little chunks as possible. So it's really important to get super overripe bananas here so that you can mash them really easily. If your bananas are just slightly underripe, you can pop them in an oven preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the ripeness of your banana, in order to ripen it quicker. Then to your mashed bananas, you're going to add in some flax eggs and mix that until it's combined. Then you want to add in some vegetable oil, mix that, add in your sugar, mix it until it's nice and combined, and just a little bit of non-dairy milk. Mix that all until it's nice and smooth. Then you're going to add in some all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and mix that until it's combined and you get a nice, smooth banana bread dough. Preheat your waffle iron according to the instructions of the waffle iron that you have. If it isn't nonstick, be sure to give it a spray with some nonstick oil, but if it's nonstick, you should be fine without it. Then you're gonna add in about a cup of your banana bread dough. This may be adjusted depending on the waffle iron you have. I have a pretty big waffle iron, so I use more, but if you have something smaller, do about half a cup or 3/4 of a cup. Optionally, if you want here, before closing your waffle iron to cook, you can add in some chocolate chips or chopped chocolate or chopped nuts if you like your banana bread with some flavor add-ins. Then you're going to close your waffle iron and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, but base this on the waffle iron that you have, so make sure you're reading the waffle iron instructions to see how long you need to cook it for. Then once they are fully cooked, you're going to repeat that for the remaining waffles. Then you're going to top with your favorite waffle toppings. We did some fresh fruit, some sweetened non-dairy yogurt, and a little bit of maple syrup. It smells so good. Oh my god, banana bread, I love it so much. So I don't have anything on mine. I actually made like this sweetened yogurt dip that I really that's been really good on it, so.
What?
Yeah, I just took regular vegan yogurt and mixed in some icing sugar. It was really good.
What? I just have chocolate chips and maple syrup.
Oh my god, I love banana bread so much.
Wow, this is really good.
Like, it tastes just like banana bread. Like, that's all it is. It's not like it's literally just banana bread dough put in a waffle iron. There's nothing special to make it more waffly. It just tastes like banana bread.
Which, like, I feel like you can't appreciate it until you taste it. Because I knew I was making banana bread waffles, but in my mind I was like, it's gonna taste like waffles. But this is just banana bread in the shape of a waffle.
Yeah, it's the easiest way to get banana bread in 5 minutes.
Oh, it's so good.
Also, Devin, how did the quick trick to ripen bananas work for you?
Pretty well, actually. My banana wasn't ripe enough, so I just baked it in the oven real quick. And it got riper.
Mm-hmm. You could make all these waffles, freeze them, and then take them out one at a time and like re-toast them, add some butter to them, and then you just have banana bread.
It's perfect.
It's so good.
Okay, I feel like in the comments, We should talk about other things to waffle.
Yeah, what else should we put in a waffle iron? Because I am down to waffle anything.
Me too. I feel like there's a lot of room for creativity there that we haven't explored yet.
Definitely.
Yeah, so send us your ideas. Or just like waffle recipes too. It doesn't have to be weird things to waffle, but let's just talk about waffles in the comments.
Yeah. Maybe we'll do a test kitchen or something.
The recipe will be linked in the description box below, so you can also waffle some banana bread. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. It comes out every Monday, everywhere that you get podcasts. We talk about veganism, how we make our recipes, how we run our blog, some of our favorite food content. It's a really good time, so go give it a listen. There's also a link to our Patreon community. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who help support the work that we do, and in exchange, we give them some bonus content. So if you're able to support us that way, we really, truly appreciate it. But if not, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment,
thumbs
share
up.
it
Looks
with
like the
somebody
waffle. Give it a thumbs
who might
up.
want to banana bread their waffle or waffle their banana bread their waffles.
Waffle
Could you do that?
Banana. What? Wait, could you make waffle batter into a banana bread? Is that what you're asking? I don't know.
Would that just be like a sweet bread?
I feel like that would just be cake.
Oh.
But I could be wrong.
Well, that hurts my brain. Go ahead and just waffle some banana bread instead.
Yeah. Alternatively, I'm pretty sure you could probably do this cooking technique with our other banana bread recipe as well. I think it's like sugar-free or something like that from a couple years ago. You could probably do it with that one too if you prefer that recipe.
Nice.
Bye. Oh, Devin's drinking coffee.
Bye.
This is a weird video.